What's up, guys? Welcome back to this week's episode. Today I'm with my boy Trey, and we're gonna mix it up a little bit. Trey, what are we going to be chasing?
Ooh, a little bit of everything. See if we get a little bit of smallmouth, a little bit of drum, a little bit of river red horse. Don't know if you guys have ever seen a red horse.
Hopefully they will today.
Yeah, it may today. We'll see.
Dang it, dude, just stop and feed so I can catch you.
Oh, Trey's on a big drum. I was on the big horse. I guess I'm moving.
Oh yeah, that is a big fish.
Oh, spooking fish. Oh, it's cool.
Money, dude. What a freaking mega drum. Bruh, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. There we go.
Matt hooked up with a, what you got, a drum? Got himself a drum.
Oh, he's running hard. I really wasn't expecting him to eat it, man. He just they were cruising by me and I was like, eh. I dropped it down there and he just turned and sucked it up and I was like, holy crap, he ate it. Coming to me. Coming to me.
Oh, got deep right there.
Get back in that pot right there. Hey, if he gets close enough to me, I'll scoop him up.
Shoot you, I'll just drop him, bring him right to you.
Wasn't ready yet.
Right there.
Got him. Boom. My man.
Oh my gosh.
Come down to ear level.
Oh, big old deal. Yes, sir.
Oh boy. Want pictures?
Video's cool. Morgan's gonna kill me for videoing this.
You're right.
I got you.
Getting a little sketchy up here. Getting a little sketchy out here.